Alright, YouTube, alright, so I'm gonna show y'all how to make boneless hot wings just using about these little.
I got these drugs in my system and I'm still trying to take the pain away. Pain for me, I don't need nobody trying to change my ways. Stuck in this phase, I'm dying slowly trying to count my days. If I don't change, that's my fault. The time I died, it ain't rest in me, a felony. All my nigga rest in peace, remember me.
So how we gonna start this off is all you need is your chicken, of course, and you don't need a lot of hot sauce, fam. Like a lot of hot sauce. You don't need. It don't matter what kind of brand of hot sauce. You just need different types. And this Mal Taco Bell sauce. You ain't gonna use much of that because I don't really like that sauce that much. But for this, you're gonna need it to give it that extra little kick to it and gives it that real kind of hot wings kind of taste to it. Alright, so this is all the hot sauce I'm using. Like, you gotta have the again. What? This off-brand. Like, nigga, I'm using like 2 different types of off-brand, all types of off-brand. And this little hot ass hot sauce. So, I'm gonna get the container. This is where I'm gonna put the sauce in. But before we even get to that, we gotta use, you can fry your wings, or I like to use the air fryer, because this whole be clutch. I'm gonna get my camera right. Ooh, 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 ooh. This air fryer right here, it's been cleaned out already. But I'm gonna use that. And I'm gonna wash my hands first before I even get go. I already washed my hands, but I'm gonna just do it again, just so y'all can see me wash my hands. Cause like I always say, nigga, wash your hands on the hood. I'm gonna get some of these. I like to get the bigger ones, cause I like big wings, big wings. You know, bro, I'm gonna just pour some in there. Cause it really don't matter what size they are, cause at the end of the day, they still gonna get their sauce. Now, I really like these hot wings. I really like these hot wings. Boom, boom, boom. Put these back up there. Bro, that one bag was like I think like $7 for a big bag, bro. That lasts us a good time, bro. They last us a good time. Like, I'd rather get this than buy the little box of hot wings from the Friday hot wings. I love those, but those are just too expensive. This is like a cheaper way, and it lasts us a way longer time. See, look at all those wings right there. Look at all those. Alright, so I'm gonna put the air fryer on. Let me plug it up real fast. Put the air fryer on. Now that's on. I'm gonna go ahead and set it to put it on like 20 minutes. It ain't gonna take 20 minutes, but I'm just giving y'all like an estimated, bro. Well, yeah, it's really gonna take about maybe 15 minutes, but I gotta put on that. I'm gonna turn it up to what it says for chicken. Chicken is 355, so I'm putting it on 355. And now it's time to make the wings. You get your container, there you got your wings in. There you're gonna put your wings in. Now, I'm gonna just add all this hot sauce. What does this expire date? Alright, this don't expire for a long time. So I'm gonna just put that hot sauce in there. Yeah, I might. Let me see so y'all can be able to see the hot sauce. So, yeah. Put a little bit of this, just a little bit of it, and that's gonna give it that kind of tangy kind of taste to it. It's gonna give it that tangy rangy. And I'm gonna just put all these in here. I'm gonna do a time lapse. Alright, so now I got my hot sauce. Let me show y'all. I got the hot sauce in the hot sauce pan. Now if it just check on the wings real fast. They're getting there. They're not crispy yet. They're not. That's how they look right now. They're still kind of cold. Yeah, they're still cold. I'll just let those cook for a minute. I'll get back to y'all this time. Alright, so while the wings are almost done, I've been adding the last ingredients. There's a little bit of pepper. I will just sprinkle that in there. And that's just gonna put it over the top of the sauce. This how the pepper looks in there. It's not too much, it's just enough. So now the wings are starting to get to the point when they're getting crispy. Crispy. They crispy now. I'm pouring my hair. And put the top on there. And I'm gonna just shake them up in here. And get that sauce all over there. And that's when you get the wings all spicy and hot. Now, what we gotta do is get the wings and put them back in the fryer. And what we finna do is, see, I don't like my wings all soaking wet and like that. Like, I like hot wings, but I don't like them when they're dripping in sauce. I like mine to be like, y'all feel see. Like, they're gonna be dripping. Then I ain't gonna be dripping, but they're gonna be like crunchy kind of hot wings. You know what I'm saying? Like the inside the pan like this. I'm gonna put them back into the and let them cook for a couple more minutes and just let them get crispy. I'll get back to y'all when we're done. Alright, so now we got our boneless hot wings. I'm gonna let this wash this out real fast. Alright. This is the end results of after you get done with the boneless hot wings. Ooh, don't those hoes look good right there. Bam! On the hood. They're nice. There you go. Look at that. Look how crisp. Ooh, don't they look good? I mean, they're fire. They're fire every time. You gotta get you. That's how you make boneless hot wings. Ooh, look at that. Just like they came from the store. Just like fire. Good. I'll see y'all next time. See safe, Wolfpack. Okay.
I got these drugs in my system and I'm still trying to take the pain away. Pain for me, I don't need nobody trying to change my ways. Stuck in this phase, I'm dying slowly trying to count my days. If I don't change, that's my fault. The time I died, it ain't rest in me, a felony. All my nigga rest in peace, remember me.